صلى عليك الرحمن أزكى الصلاة والسلام. يا ربي ارفع مقامه دوما في كل مكان. سيدي يا محمد حبك روح الإيمان. يا ربي أرجو لقاءه يوما في دار السلام. Everywhere I hear your name be mentioned, the whole world's talking about you and the thought of being part of your nation. I'm so proud to follow you day and night. You sacrifice, led us from darkness to light tonight. Until the end of my time, I will love you. صلى عليك